Silakan nanti baru di unmute audionya. Oke. Okay, tonight's topic is going to be well, it's not a topic, but it's reading. Tonight is reading practice, so we are going to read, and then the topic that we're gonna read, or the thing that we're gonna talk about, is about dictionary. Okay, but before we read the text, I want to share with you my slide. Okay, let me check my slide first. All right, okay. Let me check. All right, can you guys see my slides?
Yes, we see.
All right, good, thank you. Thank you. So welcome to the class. And okay, let's start off with this phrase. How do you guys say this phrase, or how do you read this? Probably Mas Taufik, can you help me? How do you pronounce this phrase? Me, okay. Good.
How often?
Sorry?
How often?
How often? Good. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Ibu Erna Nasution, can you help me? How do you read this question? This question.
This question?
Yeah, it's a question, it's a phrase.
Yes. How often learning English?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. How often? Okay. How do you read that? Can you repeat? I don't really hear.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you repeat, please, Ibu Erna?
How often?
How often?
Learning.
Okay. Now we've got two ways of saying or pronouncing this phrase. Yeah. So whenever you want to use this phrase, you can choose both or one of these. You can say like Mas Taufik said, often. That's correct. And Ibu Erna also correct when she said often. Okay, so both are correct. Dua-duanya boleh ya, boleh often, boleh often. Good. What does it mean? What does it mean, Ibu Nisa? Can you help me? What does it mean? How often? When do you use this phrase when asking someone?
I think the meaning is berapa sering in bahasa.
That's the fast way of telling everyone the meaning. Okay, good. So if you want to know about how frequent that someone does something, you can use how often or how often. Kalau saya seringnya menggunakan often, ya. Often juga boleh. Okay, so how often means, or you use this phrase when you want to ask somebody about how frequent that one does something. Yeah. Okay. And usually, look at the slide. Usually, if you want to ask question using this phrase, then you will it's followed by an auxiliary verb, which is do you. So how often do you? If you are talking to someone, okay, as a second speaker, how often do you? How often do you? Okay. Now let's put some practice. Kita praktek ya biar terbiasa how often. I will give you one example. Saya akan kasih contoh, and then later I want everyone to prepare with one question using this phrase. Nanti enggak setiap orang, well, we try, kita coba nanti mungkin ada sekitar 5 menit atau maksimal 7 menit untuk practice bertanya, how often do you? Okay, now let me start this game. I'm starting off with Novia Nelly. Can we talk, Novia Nelly?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Hello.
All right. Okay.
How
Um, yeah, I will. Okay, do you want to ask me something using how often do you blah blah blah? Ask me something.
often do you go gym?
Well, do I have to be honest or can I lie?
To be
Because
honest.
I never go to the gym. In fact, I hate gym. All right, wrong question. Okay, Novia. All right, guys. Now I give you one, maybe 30 seconds, 30 detik. All right. Write or prepare one question using this phrase. How often do you? Tadi Novia or Mbak Novia Nelly sudah nyontohin satu pertanyaan ya, nanya ke saya seberapa sering saya ke gym. Unfortunately, sayangnya saya nggak pernah ke gym. Okay, alright, yes, 30 seconds, 30 detik. Okay, 2 minutes, guys. Okay, that's 30 seconds, I guess. All right. Okay, Ibu Lydia Parura, please choose one participant to
Just me or
choose one participant that you want to ask. Ibu Lydia, please go ahead.
Thank you.
Yes.
My question, how often do you
No.
fit
Pick
in
Ibu
one
Lydia.
month?
Ibu Lydia, sorry. Please pick one participant to us. Please pick one.
Oh,
Yes, like me,
Oh.
like what I did. Okay, I pick one. I pick yes.
I want to ask Mr. Maula.
No, you can't ask me. Novia ask me. Choose another one. Choose another one.
Okay. I want to ask Ibu Erni.
Ibu Erni.
Hello, Ibu Erni.
All right.
Hi.
Okay, I want to ask you, how often do you go to hospital in one month? Thank you.
All right. Okay.
I think never.
Never. Okay. Okay. Ibu Erni, do you have a question? You can ask Ibu
Yes.
Lydia.
To Miss Lydia or another one?
You can choose
Yes.
Ibu Lydia if you want
Miss
to. You
Lydia,
can choose
okay.
another one if you want to.
I choose Ibu Lydia Ibu Lydia.
All right. Okay.
Miss Lydia, how often
Yeah.
do you wash your car on a week?
Oh, thank you. I cannot drive a car, only bicycle.
Okay. Well, if it's not a car, then your bicycle. How often?
I use my car every Saturday in 1 week to sport in my home.
Okay. Does
Thank
that answer
you.
your question, Ibu Erni? Ibu Erni, does that answer your question? Yes. Okay. All right. Now, Pak Basu. Pak Basu, can you talk?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Choose one participant to us.
I want to ask to Miss Pipit.
Pipit.
How often
Okay.
you open the dictionary? How often do you open the dictionary today?
Mhm. Good. Ibu Pipit, please respond. Turn on your audio. There you go.
Pardon?
Okay.
How often I open my dictionary today? Oh,
that-
I just opened tonight.
Maybe
I just
not
opened the
today. Today
dictionary
is
tonight.
one day, like if it's very short period of time, maybe in a week or
Yes.
maybe in a month. How often do you open your dictionary, Ibu Pipit?
I have an application
Mhm,
on my phone.
mhm.
It's a dictionary. So I open every time when I look my iPhone, I see that dictionary on
Okay.
my screen lock screen.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Do you have one question, Ibu Pipit, to ask? Please choose another one. Choose another one.
I choose Ibu or Mbak Novianelli.
Novia
Yeah.
Nelly. Oh,
Okay.
well, she had that chance, but okay, if you want to ask her, okay.
Oh, sorry. Hello. I
Hi.
want to ask you, how often do you go to salon? To the salon? I
Okay.
don't know. Maybe
Okay.
cut your hair or doing something with mani-pedi or
All right. Okay.
facial.
In 1 month or
Yes.
in 1 month?
Yes.
I have
1 month.
not go to salon in 1 month, but I go to salon if I want to apa?
Cut your hair?
Cut your hair.
Oh yeah,
What?
cut my hair.
Oh, okay.
Cut your head?
Yes, hair,
Head or hair?
Mister.
Hair.
Hair.
You can't cut your head.
Oh,
You're gonna
nice.
die.
Oh sorry.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Thank
Good. Good.
you.
Good. All right. Now, Pak Fauzan, please choose one participant and then ask a question.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Maula, for the time.
Mhm.
I'd like to choose Mr. Haryanto, maybe.
All right.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, hi,
Okay.
Mr. Amin.
Yes. I'd like to ask you, how often do you check the message on your WhatsApp in a day?
Okay.
I check message in my WhatsApp every minute,
Every minute. Okay.
almost every minute.
All right. Nice. Okay,
Maybe-
Pak Haryanto, go ahead. Ask your question.
Thank you. I will choose Miss Bashir Tabs.
He got that chance. Please another one. Choose another one.
Mr. Basu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, hi, Mr. Basu.
Hello.
Yeah, I want to ask about the question about often. How often do you play tennis in 1 week?
Okay. I usually play tennis twice a week.
Really? Is that real answer? Do you really play tennis, Pak Baso?
Yes.
Good.
I
Good.
usually play tennis twice every week.
Twice
Nice.
every week. Oh, thank you,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Okay, next one. Probably Ibu Sunawati. Can we talk, Ibu Sunawati? Ibu Sunawati, if you hear me, please turn on your audio. Okay, okay, not doing anything. Okay, moving on. Ibu Rintan, are you there? Can you hear me, Ibu Rintan?
Yes,
Please turn on your audio. There you go. Okay, choose one participant to ask.
we can Hi, Miss Nikan.
Can you talk closer to your mic so everyone can hear you?
Hi, Miss Nikan. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Miss Rintan.
Okay, well, amazing if you can. Okay.
Miss Nikan, how often do you use smartphone while working?
I use my handphone every minute maybe, Rintan, because without my handphone I cannot contact my friend or my student.
Okay. Good. Good. All right, Ibu Niken, choose another one. You want to ask?
Okay, I will choose Ibu P.
Ibu what?
Yes.
UP is 90.
Okay.
Yes, Ibu Nikan.
There you go.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Ibu Yupi. How often do you eat ice cream in a month?
Okay.
Nice one. Yes.
I don't eat ice maybe only not once in a month because I drink hot water.
Ah, okay. Healthy.
Okay.
Healthy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Ibu Yupi, choose another one.
Okay. Which one?
Probably
Pak
from the Bapak.
Bapak Solikin.
Bapak
You hear
Solikin,
me?
where are you? Bapak Solikin, are you there?
Can you hear me, Pak Solikin? Hello, Pak Solikin.
Okay,
Do you hear
moving
me?
on. Another participant. We can't hear him.
Okay. I move to Mr. Taufik. Oh yes, yes. Okay.
Hello. Okay.
Pak Solikin. Yeah, you hear me?
Yes. Back to Pak
Okay.
Solikin.
Okay, thank you. I want to ask you, how often do you go abroad?
Nice.
Go to abroad?
Yes.
What do you mean abroad, Ibu?
Keluar negeri.
Abroad? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I go to Malaysia and Singapore in 1000 I mean 2018.
All right. Can you please say it in English?
2030. Go to
13.
Malaysia. 13.
Yeah.
13, yeah.
All right.
Go to
Okay. Thank you.
Malaysia.
Pak Solikin, go ahead.
Yeah.
Choose another one.
Pak Taufik.
Pak Taufik, which one
Pak
is
Taufik.
it? Okay.
I want to question for you. How often do you go to vacation for 1 month?
Vacation, I think in pandemic I'm not go to anywhere. Just
Oh yeah.
at home with my family.
Well,
So maybe in 3 months, in 3 years, I'm not have any vacation.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Do you don't go to vacation?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Pak Solikin. Go ahead. Mas
Okay,
Taufik.
thank you.
Okay, I want to ask to Miss Rintan. Can you hear my voice? Hello.
It's not really clear. Probably something with your earphone.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Rintan. Miss Rintan, unmute please. Hello.
Who is it? Who is it? It's not really clear.
Okay, I think there are trouble on airphone. That's right. Mr.
I
Intan,
can't
can you
hear
hear me?
you. Can everyone hear him?
Sorry.
Yes, I can hear Taufik, Mister. I cannot hear Intan.
Okay. Yes, but Mas Taufik, whom are you talking to?
Okay, I want to ask to Mr. Intan. Mr. Intan, how often do you speak English? Maybe how often in a week? How often do you speak English?
Good.
Sorry, sir, I cannot hear your sound.
There you go. I cannot do. It's too okay.
Okay,
Maybe you
everybody
can ask
hear my
Ibu
voice?
Niken because she can hear you.
Okay.
Just ask Ibu Niken then. Okay.
Okay. Mr.
Repeat your question,
Maulana,
please.
now I
Repeat.
choose one participant.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Ibu Niken, Ibu Niken, because she is the one that can hear you.
Okay. Ibu Niken, I want to ask you, how often do you speak English in a week?
Good.
I actually I try to speak English every day, Mr. Taufik.
Good. With
Nice.
whom? Oh, sorry.
With whom? With myself, sir.
Oh, good.
Huh?
Self-talk. Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Make sure you don't do it
Okay.
in public, okay?
Yes, yes.
All right, thank you. Okay, moving
Thank
on
you.
to Anja. Hello, Anja. Good evening.
Hello, Mr. Mola. Good
Hi.
evening.
Okay, choose one participant to talk and ask question.
Mas Anthony.
Yes.
Anthony. Okay, good.
Okay. Hello. I want to ask a questions about how often do you eat Indomie?
Good. Well, it's not good. The Indomie is not good. The question is good. Yes, please go ahead, Mas Anthony.
I rarely eat Indomie.
Really? Like how often? Is it once in a month or once in a lifetime or
Just 5
what?
5 Indomie in a month.
In one day? That's not rare.
Oh, in a month.
That sounds a lot. Okay, in a month. All right. Okay, good. Mas Anthony, please choose another one to talk to.
Maybe Pak Lukman.
Pak Lukman, where are you? Can you hear him? Where is Pak Lukman? Okay, please turn on your audio, Pak Lukman. We can't hear you.
Okay.
Okay, Anthony, go ahead.
Okay, Miss Pak Lukman, I want to ask about how often do you watch your mobile phone in a day?
Sorry.
Okay, how often do you watch your mobile phone in a month?
Okay, thank you. Your question. Maybe I watch my phone every 1 hour.
Every 1 hour. Good. Okay, yes. Pak. Who was it? Pak Lukman. Please choose another one to talk to.
Okay, I choose Miss. Sorry. Oh, Miss Darwis. Mr.
Miss
Darwis.
or Miss?
Miss
Darwis?
Mr. Darwis.
Yes,
sorry.
yes.
Sorry.
Please don't
sorry.
confuse us.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr.
Yes,
Darwis,
there you go.
Good
Okay.
evening.
I ask for you, how often do you shower every day?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm shower. I go to the bedroom. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Repeat again, Mr. Maulana.
How often do you shower every day?
Internet no.
How often do you go to the bathroom? I mean, not going to the bathroom. How often do you shower
Shower.
Shower.
Yes.
Shower from the water. This one.
Showering means mandi, Pak Darwis. How
Yeah,
how
mandi.
often
Yes,
do you mandi in the day?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yes.
If every morning I am to shower, sleeping. Every morning and afternoon. Yeah, to time shower then.
Okay. Good. Pak Darwis, please choose another one.
Yeah, I choose to maybe to all the bapak-bapak.
You can choose
All the
ibu-ibu
bapak.
too if you want to. We have, so many options.
No problem, ibu.
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, mak-mak, no problem, no mak.
Okay, good.
This time the mak-mak ya,
Yes.
Yeah, I choose all the mak-mak, no problem.
Not all. No,
Mama.
choose one. Don't be greedy.
Actually,
Jangan mau semua, Pak.
okay,
Satu
thank
aja.
Yeah, okay.
Choose one.
Erma Nasution.
Ibu Erna Nasution. All right, Ibu Erna.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, there you go.
Yes. Good evening, Ibu Erma. I just Bu Erma. How often do you every day from morning to afternoon? How do you do?
Do you understand the
How
question,
often
Pak Darwis?
do you think?
How often what?
Yeah, activity from morning to afternoon.
No, the question is incorrect. Ya, pertanyaannya keliru, Pak. How often itu digunakan untuk nanya berapa sering melakukan sebuah pekerjaan. Ya. Bukan mau nanya pekerjaan sehari-hari dari pagi sampai sore, ya, itu nggak relevan. Oke, Pak Darwis, misalnya mau tahu tentang apa satu kegiatan Ibu Erna? Yes? Okay, my internet connection is also unstable, guys. Pak Darwis, can you please one question?
Yeah, how often do you Bu Erna in activities from in the cooking?
Okay, how often do you cook? That's the question.
Yeah,
Erna, how often do you cook, Ibu Erna?
Okay. I often cook every day. Every day in the morning, I cook for breakfast and the day I cook for lunch, and evening I cook for dinner with.
Okay, that means.
Family.
Okay, good. That
Yes.
means how often do you cook?
I often to cook every day three times.
Three times.
For one day.
Very good. Okay, Ibu Erna, please choose one participant.
Okay, I choose to Mr. Potter, yeah.
Sorry?
Do you hear me, Mr. Potter? I don't see who is participant because I use and my cell phone.
Okay. Can I choose? Can I choose it for you?
Potter. I see the names participant with my cell phone.
Okay. The thing is, I don't know the one that you mentioned, Ibu Erna.
I choose Mr. Ahmad.
Ahmad, okay.
You can hear me, Mr. Ahmad?
Where is Ahmad? Pak Ahmad, where are you? Okay, another one.
Ahmad.
No.
Yes.
Where are you, Mr. Ahmad?
Okay, another one, Ibu Erna, another one.
Sunawati?
Okay, good. Ibu
Sunawati?
Sunawati. Yes.
Yeah,
that's-
Ibu. Okay, Bu Sunawati, I want to ask you for one question. How often do you read once month? In next month.
Saya jarang baca novel tuh gimana sebutnya. Suka read the newspaper, I like the CNBC, Tempo, CNN.
Oh ya.
Jarang baca novel. Suka tapi jarang.
Oke.
Jadinya waktunya terini. Ya Pak, maaf. Jadi kalau bahasa Inggrisnya gimana jawabnya Pak?
Mr. Mabula.
Yeah, I think I need to move, guys. Because, yes. Because my internet connection is unstable. I'm at the hotel. So yeah, maybe this way is better. Can you see me, guys?
Oh.
Okay, I think the internet connection like in front of my bathroom is much better, so I'm moving to the bathroom. Okay.
Direct to shower.
Yeah. Is it the front door, Mr.
Yes.
Mola?
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Mr. Mala?
Yes, Ibu Sunawati.
Mr. Mala, I'm sorry. Yeah. Could you help me for gimana tadi saya punya bahasa, saya nggak tahu mengatakan dalam bahasa Inggris gitu kan. Jadi boleh nggak tolong sekarang jelaskan gitu bahasa
Okay, can you repeat? Boleh Ibu diulangi lagi tadi bilang apa ya?
Iya. Saya bilang saya jarang baca novel. Saya lebih sering baca berita gitu nah. Gimana caranya, Pak?
Okay. Ibu Sunawati, is it your first time? Ini pertama kali ya?
Benar, Pak.
Oke, Ibu Suna, nanti saya ngasih feedback itu nanti setelah sesi praktis ya.
Oke.
Iya, nanti saya catat. Ini sekarang saya catat.
Iya.
Nanti saya kasih tahu biar semuanya juga bisa belajar sekalian. Alright?
Oh, good. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Okay, moving on to saya pilih dulu ya. Padahal tadi waktu di sana backgroundnya bagus ya. Di sini kamar mandi backgroundnya. Oke.
Oke, Mister.
Iya. Yang paling penting kan internet connection-nya ya. Alright, Ibu sebentar nih yang jarang-jarang saya lihat nih. Ibu Endang Suharni, please. Turn on your audio so everyone can hear you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, choose one participant. Please.
I want to choose Pak Budi.
Oh, you want to choose Pak Budi? Pak Budi or Dudi?
Me?
Oh, Pak Budi. Okay.
Yeah, Bu Endang.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. I want to ask you, how often do you merokok?
Oh my God. Can you say it in English?
Do you smoke?
What do you say?
How often do you merokok?
What do you say in English merokok, Ibu Endang? Please say it in English.
Smoking.
You don't know. Okay, Pak Budi, go ahead.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bu Endang. Fortunately, I'm not smoking, so I am never smoke.
Okay, good. Thank you. All right, moving on to Ibu Budi. Pak Budi, choose one participant.
I'm looking for Mbak Dika. Ada Mbak Dika?
Mbak Dika, where are you, Mbak Dika? Are you here? I'm afraid not. Okay. She's not been around for 2 meetings.
Or Miss Meti?
Meti,
Ibu Meti.
Meti, choose the one turning his or her camera. Pilih yang ada muncul kameranya aja ya.
Oke.
Yes.
Ibu Afi?
Ibu
Yes,
Afi,
I am.
good. Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I will ask you, how often do you go to cinema, Bu Afi, in 1 month?
Oh, as long as pandemic, I never go to the cinema, but cause maybe I often watching cinema at the Netflix or View.
If before pandemic, do you
Before
like to cinema?
pandemic, actually, sometime maybe once in a month, I think.
Oh.
But depend
Okay.
the film. The film in the cinema.
Okay, thank you, Bu Afi.
All right, Ibu
you're
Afi,
welcome,
last
Mr.
one. Please choose another participant.
Okay. I choose maybe Mr. Febri, ya?
Yes.
Mr.
Yes.
Febri, okay.
Yes, Ibu Afi. How are you?
I wanna ask you about how often do you go to the market in a week?
Market in a week. Actually, I never to the market. Only my wife go to the market. That's it.
Okay, thank you for the answer, Mr. Febri.
You are welcome, Ibu Afi.
Okay, choose one participant, Mas Febri.
Okay, I choose Pak Raffles, I think. Pak Raffles.
Are you here?
Okay.
Good.
Yes, I am.
Okay, Pak Raffles, I want to ask you, how often do you brush your teeth?
Okay, twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the morning and the evening. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Pak Raffles.
Yes, Pak Raffles, please choose one participant.
Okay, I'm just one participant, maybe Mr. Slamet.
Mr. Slamet. Okay, Pak Slamet.
Yes, sir. Okay, Mr. Slamet, I have a question for you, Mr. Slamet.
Yes.
How often do you ride your bicycle?
Good.
I ride bicycle if I go to the market and pick up my children to school, and if I any important to to market, I go by bicycle. That's all.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Slamet.
You're welcome.
Okay, all right, guys. That's it. That's all. Udah cukup praktisnya, and sekarang saya mau ngasih feedback dulu ya, tentang mistakes atau kekeliruan dari kalimat-kalimat yang Bapak Ibu gunakan tadi. Mungkin saya stop share lagi aja. Okay, so first tolong dicatat karena ini semuanya basic, ini semuanya pelajarannya sangat sangat sederhana, and ini harusnya kita semua udah tahu, tapi masih aja ada yang lupa atau miss ya. Okay, first, yang pertama, if you ask question, or if somebody asks you question, how often or how often, how do you actually respond? Gimana sebenarnya cara meresponnya? Okay, so kalau misalnya ditanya often, how often, that means how frequent, seberapa sering. Ingat ya, itu kata kuncinya, seberapa sering. So responnya adalah tentu menggunakan atau phrase, kata-kata yang menunjukkan berapa kali. Itu jawabannya. Misalnya, how often do you apa tadi ya? Ya, how often do you go to the gym? Tadi yang nanya saya. Jawaban saya, kalau memang saya perginya rutin, saya akan jawab, let's say misalnya, well, maybe 5 times a week. 5 times a week. Jadi kata kuncinya di sini adalah kali ya, sekali, 2 kali, 3 kali, dan seterusnya. What do you say in English satu kali?
Once.
Once. Good. Good. 2 kali?
Twice.
Twice. Boleh juga 2 times, boleh aja ya, nggak masalah. Tapi singkatnya yang gampang twice. So once, twice. Kalau 3 kali?
3 times.
Times. Ingat ya, 3 times, 4 times, etc. Okay. Udah ngerti ya? Okay, so it's kalau how often jawabannya mestinya ada once atau times. Kalau once sekali, times berarti beberapa kali. 2 times, 3 times, dan seterusnya. Oke. Oh ya, tadi juga masih ada yang keliru cara menggunakan pertanyaan ini. So, how often kita bukan sedang bertanya habitual actions. Habitual actions artinya kegiatan yang biasa dilakukan. Habitual actions dengan often itu beda. Oke. So, kalau how often, maka setelahnya adalah do you. How often do you go to the school? How often do you read your book? How often do you speak English? Okay? Yes. Itu dia. Oh ya, tadi saya lupa. Tadi kan jawaban how often bisa jadi once, twice, 3 times. Okay? Boleh juga kalau misalnya like every time you are doing it, you can say you can use every time too, or every. Boleh pakai every. Misalnya, kayak tadi ada yang nanya, seberapa sering kamu lihat handphone? Okay? Yes.
3 times.
Ya, kalau memang jawabannya adalah like every minute, setiap menit, setiap detik, okay? So, well, I do that, or I use my phone every second to count. Berarti setiap detik dilihat. Boleh, pakai every, boleh. Okay. Yes. Terus selanjutnya, tadi kan setelah menunjukkan atau menjawab dengan maybe once, twice, and then kan ada keterangan waktunya, 1 kali atau 2 kali, iya 2 kali dalam berapa hari, dalam berapa minggu, dalam berapa bulan. Nah tadi ada yang jawab twice on a week. On a week. Kalau week tidak menggunakan on. Ingat ya, week sama month, sama year, semuanya menggunakan in. Oke? Misalnya, I go to the karaoke once a week, seminggu sekali. I watch movies like once in a month, 1 bulan sekali, right? And then I celebrate my, misalnya, I celebrate Idul Fitri once a year. Saya merayakan Idul Fitri 1 kali 1 tahun. Okay, in a year, in a month, and in a day, in a week. Sama ya, day, week, month, year. In, semuanya in. Okay, good. Right, next. Pronunciation. This is pronunciation. What do you guys say bulan in English?
Month.
Okay.
Month.
All right. Okay. Yes. Yes, mute. Silakan mute. Oke, saya udah dapat. Yes, it's not
Month.
month. It's not month. It's month. Month. Ya, if possible, kalau mungkin man-nya jangan man aja. Ya, kalau man itu kayak siapa sih man gitu. No. It's month. Kalau boleh pakai ada ujungnya.
Man.
Yes, Ibu Sugi kayaknya jago nih. Coba Ibu Sugi. Coba, can you help me say the word month?
Month.
Di mute ya, satu-satu. Saya nggak bisa dengar jadinya. Ibu Sugi, please once again.
Month.
Oke. At least kalaupun nggak bisa month kayak saya, ada SS-nya dikit lah ya, months. Tapi nggak bisa S sih, months. No. Harus month. Coba Ibu Sugi kayak gini. Semua yang lain di mute, tapi praktek juga ya. Silakan di mute, tapi praktek. Put your tongue between your teeth. Giginya taruh di antara lidah. Lidahnya ditaruh di antara dua gigi nih atas bawah. Terus hembuskan di mute ya. Nanti muncratnya ke saya semua tuh kalau nggak di mute. Oke. Diembus kayak mau bilang huruf S, tapi giginya di lidah. Tapi lidahnya di gigi. Aduh, saya sering kebalik lagi. Coba begitu boleh di kamera semuanya, saya mau lihat. Bisa ya. Dihembusin, jangan digigit doang, ntar putus. Oke, sekarang kita gabungin dengan month. Yes, Ibu Christine kayaknya keren tuh. Ibu Christine cobain deh. Ibu Christine, turn on your audio.
Month.
Nice, very good. Well done. Yes. Oke ya. Nah, jadi hari ini atau malam ini oleh-olehnya month. It's not month. Terus ujungnya ada month. In a month. Month. Oke. Yes, nggak cukup ini prakteknya, nanti sebelum tidur boleh zikir month ya. month 10 kali. Alright. Yes, good. Next. This is about vocabulary. Ini soal vocab. Sebentar saya mute dulu ya, biar tenang belajarnya. Oke. Yes, ini soal vocabulary atau kosakata. Handphone. Oke, masih banyak yang menggunakan handphone. Probably yang bilang handphone tadi itu baru masuk hari ini. Oke, yang lama-lama harusnya udah jago dong, nggak ada yang bilang handphone lagi. So, handphone is not English. Handphone is not English. Yes. So, yeah. Yes. If you want to say handphone, just say phone. Phone. Kalau untuk handphone, bilang aja phone. Kalau memang mau spesifik which phone that you are using, baru menggunakan cell phone. Atau mobile phone boleh juga. Tapi you can just simply say phone. Cukup. Phone. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? People nowadays, they don't know telephone. Orang zaman sekarang nggak tahu lagi telepon. Jadi langsung aja phone. Mereka nggak mungkin kepikiran telepon yang ada gagangnya itu loh, yang ada wire-wirenya, right? Nggak kepikiran lagi. Phone sekarang sudah handphone maknanya. By the way, handphone is not English. Okay. Next. This is vocabulary. Ini kosakata juga ya. Pergi ke luar negeri. What do you guys say in English?
Abroad. Going abroad. Going abroad.
Okay.
Go abroad.
Go abroad.
Go to abroad.
Go abroad.
Go abroad.
Okay, nice. Okay, good. Yes. Luar negeri bahasa Inggrisnya abroad. Bukan abroad. Ya, bukan abroad. It's abroad. Abroad. Itu pronunciation, okay? And kalau mau pergi ke luar negeri, nggak perlu pakai go to. Nggak perlu ada to. Go abroad. Go abroad. Okay.
abroad.
Yes, go abroad. Atau kalau misalnya dia di awal kalimat boleh pakai yang kayak kata Pak Pasha tadi, going abroad. Going abroad is my hobby, maybe. Okay, but not now. It's pandemic, right? Okay.
Domestic,
Abroad.
Pak. Domestic.
Yeah, domestic. Well, you know, PCR test scares me. You know?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, you must PCR test and very expensive.
I never fly for about 2 years. 2 tahun nggak pernah terbang lagi. Alright, moving on. Next, how to say years in English? Gimana sih cara nyebutin tahun dalam bahasa Inggris? Right.
Years.
Okay.
Years.
Let's say, okay, if you don't mind, saya mau nanya ya. Saya ngajak ngobrol siapa ya? Kalau boleh tahu boleh dijawab ya. Saya mau nanya aja, sekedar nanya untuk latihan. Siapa yang belum pernah saya ajak ngobrol ya? Tio Ruben, Mas Tio Ruben.
Yes,
Yes, okay. How old are you?
I'm sure maybe I will turn 17 years old.
17.
Yes, in November.
Okay, okay. I'm looking for an older one. Ya, saya cari yang lebih senior ya. Alright. Biar tahun lahirnya 19-an gitu. Alright. What about you, Mas Ihsan? How old are you?
Right now, I'm 21 years old.
Oh, 21. Okay. When were you born?
I was born at Bontang, in Bontang.
No. Yeah. I mean, when, not where.
Oh, when? Sorry. 1999.
So good. Okay. Yes. This is one good example. Itu contoh yang baik ya. So untuk tahun, kalau mau yang casual, yang simple, yang cepat, right? You can just say the first 2 numbers and then followed by another 2 numbers. Jadi misalnya kayak tadi tahun berapa ya, Ihsan? What year?
1999.
Good.
1999.
Okay. Yes. So cara bilangnya sama kayak kita bahasa Indonesia, 1999, 1999. Okay. Kalau yang 19-an seperti itu atau 18-an, 17-an, alright. Now what about thousand? Kalau ada ribunya gimana? Ya nggak apa-apa, langsung aja 2018 boleh atau 2018 juga boleh. Ya, dipisah 2 number. Okay? Yes, 2018 it's okay. 2018 okay, tapi kalau misalnya casual aja atau ngobrolnya bukan dalam suasana yang formal, bukan lagi nyampein kuliah, kayaknya bisa langsung 2018. Good. Okay. Again, ini soal vocab lagi ya. So tadi ada yang nanya kayak gini, how often do you go to vacation? Okay. How often do you go to vacation? Not to vacation, but for vacation. Okay. How often do you go for a vacation? Okay. Good.
Mr. Mola.
Yes.
How about this the question like this? How often are you supposed to change your toothbrush?
Okay, good. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yes. How often
are you
supposed to? Yes.
Can we use that?
Yes, you can use that.
Could we? Oh.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So it really, again, it really depends on the context. Tadi yang saya kasih contoh, how often do you, that's the basic form of question using how often. Jadi itu yang tadi saya contohkan adalah contoh pertanyaan yang paling sederhana menggunakan how often. Tapi kalau kayak Pak Pasha kan udah sangat spesifik itu pertanyaannya, like how often are you supposed to change your toothbrush? Okay. By the way, do you guys understand supposed to? Tahu nggak artinya supposed to or supposed to?
No.
Ya,
No.
seharusnya.
Okay, harusnya ya. How often are you supposed to change the toothbrush? Okay, good. Next. Again, this is vocabulary. Ini vocab lagi nih. Tadi ada yang I heard someone said, "Thank you for question." Sorry. Thank you your question. Thank you followed by for always. Yeah. Thank you for blah, blah, blah. I would like to thank you for blah, blah, blah. Thank you for everything. Not thank you everything or thank you your question. No, thank you for, yes. Next. Oke, sebentar ya. Oke, I don't know what I wrote. Saya lupa nih apa saya tulis apa. Tulisan saya seperti dokter ya. Oke, 2 times. Oke, next. Tadi banyak yang menggunakan ketika saya minta untuk memilih salah satu peserta. Banyak yang menggunakan phrase I choose to, saya pilih. So first yang pertama gini. Kalau misalnya saya bilang udah pick another one participant atau choose or pick one participant, first you don't need to say I choose. Itu yang pertama. Langsung aja. Misalnya karena saya udah bilang choose one, then okay, maybe Ibu Sugiarti. Langsung aja gitu. Okay? And kalaupun memang mau pakai basa-basi dulu, well saya pilih ini, nggak usah choose to ya, to itu nggak perlu, choose aja. So kayaknya kelas malam ini banyak fans to ya, ngefans banget kayaknya sama to gitu. Kalau nggak pakai to nggak afdol. So nggak mesti ya, nggak mesti. So I choose langsung siapa? Okay.
Sir Maula.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
When we use maybe and or probably.
They are the same. They are totally 100% the same. Dua-duanya sama persis, means the same. So you can choose like interchangeably. Jadi bisa bergantian dipakai. Kalau emang moodnya menggunakan probably, you use probably. If you use maybe. Okay. Probably paling begini ya. Probably itu agak formal sedikit. Okay. Kalau maybe like it's casual, okay, casual. Probably is a bit more formal, sedikit lebih formal. Good. All right, next. Depends the film. Tadi ada yang nanya, how often do you watch movies or go to the movie? Saya lupa pertanyaannya apa, tapi responnya adalah depends the films. Mungkin mau bilang tergantung filmnya, right? Again, ini penguasaan kombinasi antara kata kerja dalam bahasa Inggris dengan preposition. Ya, nggak apa-apa, pelan-pelan aja. Justru karena sering praktek begini, you make mistakes, banyak salah, tapi jadi banyak belajar. Oke, so depends, wajib menggunakan on. Kalau enggak, ya nggak ada artinya, ya. So depends on the films, tergantung filmnya. Okay. Right. Okay. And next one. Tadi juga ada yang bilang I'm not smoking. I'm not smoking. The thing is with this phrase, saya ngerti yang dimaksud dengan ketika yang ngomong tadi mengatakan I'm not smoking, sebenarnya dia mau menjelaskan saya nggak pernah merokok. Oke, bukan sekedar untuk mengatakan saya tidak merokok, tapi maksudnya adalah saya tidak pernah merokok. Kalau maksudnya adalah mengatakan saya tidak pernah, kan tadi banyak ya, like how often do you eat ice cream? How often do you smoke? The thing is, I have never smoked. I have never been to movies misalnya. So kalau belum pernah menggunakan I have never. I have never. Saya nggak pernah ini, saya nggak pernah itu, saya nggak pernah ke sana, saya nggak pernah ke sini. I have never. Terus verbnya dijadikan verb 3. Ya, misalnya I have never smoked. Saya nggak pernah ngerokok. I have never watched Korean movies. Saya nggak pernah nonton film Korea. Ibu-ibu banyak yang marah nih. Alright, good. Saya jarang baca buku. Ini tadi ibu apa tadi ya yang nanya ya? Oke, yes, saya jarang baca buku. Saya jarang melakukan sesuatu. How do you say it in English?
I have never read book.
Kalau I have never itu berarti nggak pernah sama sekali. Oke, kalau jarang kan berarti pernah juga sekali-sekali ya, walaupun nggak sering.
I rarely.
Sorry.
Rarely.
Yes.
Almost never.
Rarely.
Kalau menggunakan rarely, very good. Seldom, rarely, itu apa ya? Very very formal English, and then very old English. Apalagi yang menggunakan seldom. Seldom itu hampir nggak pernah kita dengar lagi ya, orang menggunakan. Oke, yes. So gimana dong caranya? Gampang, langsung aja bilang enggak.
Often.
Sorry?
Never.
No. Yes.
Almost never.
Almost never, hampir nggak pernah. Boleh, almost never boleh. Boleh, tapi kan tadi apa tadi ya? Jarang ya. Almost never ya artinya jarang juga sih. Atau pilihan yang lain bisa gunakan gini.
Infrequently.
Siapa ya? Oke, di mute, tolong di mute ya. Nanti soalnya audionya terganggu. Oke. So, cara gampangnya, cara lainnya ya, almost never boleh. Atau alternatif lainnya adalah I don't read novel quite often. Itu lebih sederhana dan kalimatnya terdengar lebih apalah ya, lebih mature gitu, lebih dewasa gitu. Alright? Kalau almost never like terlalu casual, terlalu informal. Tapi when you say I don't read blah 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 quite often. Saya jarang baca buku, itu artinya. Saya jarang baca buku. I don't blah 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 quite often. Good.
Mr. Maula.
Yes.
How about I read only few times?
A few times, beberapa kali.
Oh, okay.
A few times means beberapa kali. And sometimes it doesn't mean jarang. Kadang-kadang nggak dapat kalau kita pakai itu. Jarang ini like almost never. Yang paling mungkin almost never tadi ya. Jarang ini like almost never. A few times agak sedikit di atas jarang.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Sir Maulana, may I?
Yes.
May I hear again? Saya jarang baca buku in English.
I don't read book quite often. I don't read books quite often.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, no worries. Okay. All right, this is pronunciation and you have to be careful for this one. Ini harus pay close attention ya, harus hati-hati. Ini kalau nggak salah pernah kejadian di awal-awal saya buka kelas. Mungkin Pak Pasha udah join atau belum, saya nggak tahu nih. What do you guys say in English gigi?
Teeth.
Ya, tuh Pak Pasha ketawa tuh, ingat dia tuh.
Teeth.
Yes, yang ketawa-ketawa berarti paham ya. Yang nggak ketawa berarti nggak ngerti. Alright. So, gigi itu teeth. Again, lidahnya ditaruh di antara dua gigi. Oke. Never. Yes. Oke. Mute dulu boleh ya. Saya mau jelasin dulu. Oke. Yes. Jadi harus ada clear distinction atau perbedaannya harus jelas antara teeth dengan tits. Apalagi tits dibaca. Oh my God, it's another thing. Ihsan ketawa banget dia kayaknya, senang banget. Oke. Saya nggak sampai hati ngasih tahu arti teeth itu apa. Nanti di Google aja deh, Google Image gitu ya keluar. Yes, pokoknya itu nggak enak dah. Alright, so teeth to say gigi. So ini ada cerita. Jadi ada dua orang pasangan, mereka pacaran. Ceweknya itu orang Rusia kalau nggak salah, cowoknya orang Amerika. Oke. Dia cuman ngomong gini, si cewek Rusianya bilang gini, do you see my tits? So si cowok kan kaget ya, kok itu jadi pembicaraannya, padahal maksudnya gigi bukan yang itu. Alright, so be careful. Banyak ya kalau pronunciation ini banyak yang mispronounce hingga akhirnya jadi misleading, artinya jadi lari. Oke, kalau cuma sekedar lari nggak apa-apa. Kadang-kadang it sometimes, it makes you feel embarrassed. Embarrassed. What does it mean, embarrassed?
Malu.
Malu.
Yes, malu-maluin diri sendiri ya. Embarrassing itu like memalukan diri sendiri. Bukan like shy. Bukan shy cat, malu-malu kucing, right? No, it's a different thing. Okay. Next, okay. Tadi masih terkait dengan I choose tadi ya, I choose. Again, ada dua kesalahan laten kita. Pertama, menggunakan to. Kalau nggak to, nggak enak. And then another one is, kalau nggak pakai am, nggak enak rasanya. Kayaknya ada yang salah. So, I am choose. I am choose. No, I choose. Kalau emang nggak perlu menggunakan am, nggak usah menggunakan am. Okay? Yes, finish. Udah selesai. Ada yang mau bertanya?
Asking, sir.
Yes, please, Pak Fauzan.
Maybe Mr. Maula can explain to us is there any the difference between using how to ask, for example, how often and how many times? What the difference in using?
Difference. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. How often? It's not really specific about how many times. Okay, you use how many times if you really want to know about how many, the frequency. Kalau how many times itu udah spesifik berapa kali, jawabannya udah pasti kalau nggak sekali, dua kali, atau never, nggak pernah sama sekali. Oke, and kalau how often, jawabannya itu bisa jadi banyak variasinya. Contoh kayak tadi Pak Pasha yang jawab apa, well seharusnya gini sih. Oke, well how many times juga bisa. But times, karena ada times mean kali ya, dia udah spesifik, like jawabannya itu biasanya menggunakan berapa kali, like sekali, dua kali, tiga kali, so on and on. Okay. Yes. But in terms of meaning, dalam hal arti, dia almost similar. Hampir sama. Yes. How many times do you go to the mall, misalnya? How often do you go to the mall? Both are the same. Okay. Tapi kalau udah times, orang itu berarti sudah demand, udah meminta, like, give me number. Give me numbers. Okay. Yes. More question. We have 3 more minutes.
Saya Mr. Maula.
Yes, Pak Ari.
Untuk menjawab thank you, sometimes I heard you are welcome. Sometimes you are most welcome. How the difference?
Okay. Ways to respond to thank you. Yeah, there's so many phrases that you can use to respond to thank you. The most basic one is thank you, you are welcome. Okay. Well, if you want to emphasize, kalau ingin lebih ini lagi, you are very welcome. Boleh. You are most welcome. Ya, itu udah ada lebay-lebayannya dikit Pak Ari ya. Kalau pakai most welcome. Biasanya kita ingin ketika ada orang berterima kasih sama kita, and we really want to thank him or her back, like so so much gitu. Memang kita mau bener-bener terima kasih juga banget, right? You are most welcome. Oke, tapi ini jarang digunakan. First, yang pertama dalam kultur mereka, again ingat ya, bahasa ini adalah juga dia produk budaya. Jadi cara berpikir, kultur, norma, ya itu berbeda dengan kita. Karena kita suka sekali dengan saya ingin menyampaikan ribuan terima kasih, right? Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris nggak perlu di Inggrisin nanti. I want to thank you like 1,000 words, thank you. Nggak perlu. Sama juga kayak yang terima kasih ya. Like you are most welcome. Ada bahasa Inggris itu ada, cuman hampir nggak pernah digunakan. Oke, hampir nggak pernah. Itu sangat formal, sangat aromanya tuh aroma formal sekali. Aromanya aroma yang bahasa Inggris yang udah lama, kuno, gitu. Oke, yes. Cara yang lain apa? Yang lebih casual, yang lebih ringan, yang orang dengarnya juga kayak santai gitu. No worries. Oke, no worries. No worries. No worries boleh. Never mind boleh. It's okay boleh. Alright.
Mr. Maula,
Yes, Pak Slamet.
can you use this sentence like this? How often did you go abroad?
Good. Bisa, boleh aja. But when you use did, wait a minute. Okay, the answer is no.
In the past.
No. How often? It means, or it requires you to talk about habitual actions. Jadi kalau how often itu meminta kita untuk menceritakan pekerjaan yang habitual actions, yang berulang. And yang sesuatu yang berulang itu selalu dalam bentuk present. Present simple, to be precise. Oke, misalnya saya pergi ke luar negeri setahun 4 kali misalnya. Nah, itu wajib menggunakan present simple. I go abroad like 4 times in a year. Oke. Yes. Kecuali konteksnya adalah dulu, sekarang enggak lagi. Kalau dulu sering banget. Dulu habitual action. Misalnya saya bilang kayak gini. When you were in school, Pak Slamet, how often did you let's say how often did you play football? Dulu waktu Pak Slamet masih sekolah, seberapa sering sih main bola? Right. Nah, kalau konteksnya begitu bisa. Tapi in general, secara umum, when you ask question using how often, that means habitual actions. So you are using present simple. Okay. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are welcome. All right, guys. Yes, Pak Baso.
Question, Pak. Mr. Maula.
Pak Baso
In
dulu
interrogative
ya.
sentence.
Yes.
In interrogative sentence, what the different what different auxiliary verb and to be? For example, what do you do and what are you doing?
Okay.
What the different
Okay, good. What do you do? What do you do is used to ask someone's job or day job. Ya, what do you do for a living? Biasanya. What are you doing? Itu tentang kegiatan yang sedang dia kerjakan. Like, what are you doing? Well, I'm learning English now. I'm teaching English now. What do you do? I teach English. I'm a teacher. So what do you do? Biasanya cuma bukan sekedar what do you do ya. Ada lanjutannya tuh. What do you do for a living? Okay. What do you do? Do you have a day job? Oke, tapi pertanyaannya tadi what do you do ya? What do you do? Berarti nanyain soal kerjaan. Kerjanya apa? What are you doing? What are you doing? Apa yang lagi dikerjain? Yang lagi sedang dikerjakan. Kalau what do you do soal pekerjaan, oke? Yes. Jawabannya kalau what do you do? I'm a teacher. Oke, I am a professional, I am a businessman, dan seterusnya. Oke, or boleh profesi, boleh juga pekerjaan profesi itu apa? Boleh juga, what do you do? I teach English. What do you do? I sell stuff online. What do you do? I give lecture or I teach, dan seterusnya. Oke, Pak Baso. Pak Pasha, terakhir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Pak Mr. Maula,
Yes.
related the question about the habitual in the past. Can we answer with I used to? Because for example, the question, how often did you? But I'm not doing anymore. So I respond the question I used to. Is it okay or is
Yes,
it
yes,
because
that's how you are supposed to respond to the question. Good. So jawabannya I used to. Memang itu jawaban.
okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Alright
Thank you.
guys, ini sudah kelewatan 4 menit. Nanti next time kita akan coba baca readingnya ya, Ibu Natalina udah bobo dia. Alright. Okay. See you next time, everybody. You've been awesome. Thank you so much. I hope you learned your stuff. And bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Thank you,
Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Maula.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next time.
Thank you, Mr. Maula.